solid siya.
Hello po.
Bakit dalawa?
Ako na nagkabang.
Yun, so again, thank you sa lahat ng umattend. And meron din tayong community members na nag-participate sa ating...
Huwag kang iiyak ha. Baka naiyak ka.
Okay. So we want to reward those from the community that mas mahina. Yun ang effort to create contents for the users and also for those na nagbabalak palang gumamit ng Honor phones. So we have here, firstly, dito muna tayo sa mga pinakamagagaling kumuha ng pictures using Honor phones. We have the Community Photographers of the Year. So may we call on Mark Bondok and Oliver Ko.
Hey! Congratulations, guys!
So yung 10K ni Oliver, bukasan mo na lang yan.
You'll be receiving trophy and cash prize from Honor. From Jet pala. Cash prize from Jet.
Sige yung cash sa akin yan eh.
Salary deduction.
Yes, salary deduction. Okay, congratulations Oliver and Mark. Next 2025 ulit Yan, okay. Or we have naman the Community Videographers of the Year. So may we call on Daryl Salazar and Richard Antonio.
Ayaw mo magawa, hindi sila kapag... Ayaw mo magawa, friend. Ikaw nga. Pagpasensyahan nyo na masyadong maliit yung trophy namin. Oh.
Ano yan? Alkansya.
Alkansya daw.
Yan. Nakapilaw ba? Yan, congrats na rin.
Please daw kayo sir.
Yung cash ko mamaya. Okay, so aside from yung mga gumagawa ng contents, we also have a community member na magaling din mag-respond to comments, sa mga questions, may mga ano ba, mga tanong nila kung paano gumamit ng Honor. So we have Angelo Shap.
Hey!
Our reliable response of the year. Ay, magaling mag-gamit.
Ayan si Angelo. Yung cash daw na kay Jet.
Okay, for our two major awards, meron pa tayong dalawa. Ito naman yung overall Best Content Creator ni Honor Philippines Community. So from photos to videos to trend job to content, everything. So we want to congratulate Science Sky or Sherwin Isla. Okay, so nanalo si maliban sa trophy and cash, si Cyrus Tim will also receive a honor phone. Isang Honor 200.
Congrats, sir.
Ako tumamir. Thank you. And lastly, so last year meron tayong tinatawag na Be the Best Community Member. So for this year, 2024, our grand community contributor, I see. Unfortunately, wala siya today at nilagnat, but congratulations to Miguel Onon.
Hey! Congrats, Max!
Yes.
Papadala na rin namin sa Baguio.
Siya yung may trending content about a wedding prenup. Gamit yung Honor 200 Pro.
Astig yan, ha?
Also, based on Baguio. That's why medyo malayo yan. So, mananalo siya ng trophy, cash prize, and a brand new Honor 200 Pro. Yeah, so,
Congrats,
again, congratulations.